Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to the channel. So friends, this video is related to very important updates from Capgemini TCS, and if you are waiting for your joining onboarding, this video is very important. Breaking news is discussed in today's video. If you are from 22 to 2020 batch, this video is for all of you. Adapt training is very important. What about the TCS joining? So many candidates say that like physical report is mandatory or not, and there is a joining delay in Capgemini. But why what is the reason? So when joining, all of the important updates is discussed in today's video. So let's start. Before starting the video, I would like to say you thank you so much. You supported, all of you supported on the last Cognizant video that is related to hiring. If you know about any of the hiring from any of the source, please apply as soon as possible, because the number of hiring is limited this time. Okay, so one of the most important update is from Capgemini team, and candidates got the mail in before 2 to 3 days. Dear candidate, greetings from Capgemini. For date of joining, they request you to please complete the adapt program post where you will receive the joining details. Thanks and regard, university relation and hiring team. One of the most important point, Capgemini team mentioned that you have to complete your adapt program. If you are if they assigned you the adapt training program or adapt program, so you have to complete first, and after that they will give you the joining details. But if you completed your adapt training program and your exam is also completed, so I suggest you to wait for some time. They will schedule your joining as soon as possible. But if you not started yet your adapt program, or if you not complete yet, so please complete. This is one of the most important point to receive the joining details. Okay, so this is the first update, and the second update is from, this is the mail in reference to TCS joining letter released to your joining date on 18th August 2022. The TCS joining date is also some days before. Some candidates got the joining in the September, but some candidates got in the August. So please note that you are being virtually onboarded, hence you will not be required to physically report to TCS office on your date of joining. It is mandatory for you to be based at your joining location from the date of your joining, and as may you ask to report to office immediately after completing your induction SP program. So one of the most important point, don't confuse in between first and second point. They mention that they will onboard you virtually, okay, and when you are joining, so you have to come to the joining location, and it is mandatory. They just mention that like you are being virtually onboarded, hence you will not be required to physically report to TCS office on your date of joining, but it is mandatory for you to based at your joining location from the date of your joining, as you may ask to report to office immediately after the completion of induction and XP program. Okay, so I will give you some of the better explanation. One of the most important point, if there is onboarding, so they just mention you have not come to office, okay, because this is virtually, and they just mentioned that you will be not to required to physically report to TCS office on your date of joining. So this is some of the confusing point, but do not confuse. Most probably the onboarding is virtual, and if your induction or XP program is completed, sometimes there is like a ILP program or XP program, so if it completed, so you have to ask to report to the office immediately. Okay, so in this condition you have to report to office immediately. So one of the most important point, when they announced that is related to details like you have to come to office, so you can, and if your joining letter released to a joining date is 18th August, but if your induction or XP program is completed, so only you have to go to your joining location. Okay, so one of the most important point, if you have any doubt regarding this two of the points, so you can also mail to TCS team regarding the confirmation. Okay, I just give you some of the suggestion that is related to my understanding. Okay, I hope this video is useful for everyone. Thanks for watching the video.